Muling nakaisa ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel sa kanilang karibal na Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots para makuha ang panalo sa Manila Clasico sa PBA Season 49 Philippine Cup nitong linggo sa Big Dome. Balikan natin ang aksyon sa ulat ni teammate Daryl Oclares.
Panibagong yugto ng Manila Clasico ang nasaksihan sa PBA Season 49 Philippine Cup nitong linggo sa Araneta Coliseum. Sa pagkakataong ito, wagi ang Barangay Ginebra San Miguel kontra sa kanilang mahigpit na karibal na Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots na nagpamalas ng impresibong 85-81 comeback win. Namuno para sa Gen King si Japet Aguilar na tumipa ng double-double 17 points at 11 rebounds. Samantalang nakapagtala naman si Stephen Holt ng 14 markers, 7 boards at 2 dimes. Dikdikan ang laban sa unang 24 minutes ng laro kung saan nakapagbaon lamang ng 5 puntos na bentahe ang Ginebra matapos ang first half. Sa ikatlong kanto, isang 29-15 scoring ang pinakawalan ng Hot Shots para makapagdala ng 9-point advantage papasok ng fourth quarter. Subalit, hindi na hinayaan pa ng Ginebra na makalayo ang Magnolia at agad na nakahabol para gawing dikit ang laro hanggang sa crunch time. Sa huli, mas nanaig ang depensa ng Gen Kings para manatili sa top 4 ng standings at mapataas ang tsansang makuha ang twice-to-beat advantage sa quarterfinals ngayong All-Filipino Conference. Ito rin ang binigyang diin ni Ginebra head coach Tim Cone sa kanyang pagharap sa media sa post-game press conference.
Well, it was a huge statement game for us, to us, not to them, but to us. We were playing for our playoff lives in that game. We put a couple losses together. Would have been tough to get back into the hunt for the top 4, but this keeps us firmly in the hunt for the top 4. It still allows us to control our own destiny. And we ran into a really good Morocco team in the last time out, and we knew we were going to get much the same in Magnolia. And but this time I thought we put up a better fight. We just persevered through the adversity and just overall showed a lot of grit tonight, and that's what we're hoping to develop on this team.
Para naman sa itinanghal na best player of the game na si Holt, kinakailangan niyang makabawi matapos ang limitado niyang produksyon sa naging pagkatalo nila sa Meralco Bolts nito lamang Biyernes.
I mean, it shows a true character of a player and a team when you bounce back from adversity. And we got the win today. I'm so proud of my guys. And individually, as we speak, I just wanted to affect the game and different facets of the game, just trying to get to the basket. Don't hesitate on my shots. And I thought tonight I still had some open looks I still could have knocked down, but again, it just credits to my teammates who's just instilling confidence in me to continue to be aggressive, take my shots, and again, just be gritty on the defensive end and just try and lead us with my boys.
Matinding hamon naman ang haharapin ng Gen Kings sa kanilang susunod na laban dahil muli nilang makaharap ang TNT Tropang 5G matapos ang kanilang 7-game final series noong Commissioner's Cup. Ang Magnolia naman puntiriyang basagin ang deadlock sa tuktok ng standings kontra sa NLEX Road Warriors na mayroon ding kartada na 7 wins at 2 losses. Sa unang laro nitong linggo, dinispatcha na ng NLEX ang Phoenix Fuel Masters sa score na 105-93 sa pangunguna ni JB Moco na gumawa ng 23 points at 8 rebounds. Samantalang nag-ambag naman si Robert Bolick ng 20 markers, 8 boards at 7 assists. Daryl Oclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.